Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Aidvantage Error Code 100? You're not alone. This pesky problem pops up when users attempt to log into their accounts, typically accompanied by a message stating that the user account has been disabled, or that the system can't match the provided information with its database. What's the root of the issue? Our research suggests two main possibilities. Either incorrect account details are being entered, or there's a hiccup on Aidvantage's end due to some system malfunction. So how can you fix Aidvantage Error Code 100? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this issue. Firstly, ensure that the right account credentials are being entered. It might seem obvious, but double-checking the details can often solve the problem. If you're certain that the account details are correct, the next step is to switch between the Aidvantage mobile app and the website. Some users have found success in logging in after making this switch. However, if the error persists even after trying both the mobile app and the website, consider using an alternate browser. Still facing the error? Try resetting your account password and logging in with the new one. Unfortunately, if none of these solutions work, the problem might be on Aidvantage's end due to a system-side issue. In this case, patience is key. Give it a few hours and then try logging in again. To summarize, if you're facing Aidvantage Error Code 100, double-check your account details, switch between the mobile app and the website, try an alternate browser, reset your password, and if all else fails, wait a few hours before trying again. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.